I'm gonna give you my honest opinion about this Flex Seal. I took a 5-gallon jug and cut the bottom off, so we're looking at about 4 gallons now. And you may not like me at the end of this video, or you might like me. That's up to you, but I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. But that's some plexiglass right there, and I'm gonna take this, let's say 4-gallon jug, and I'm gonna spray it. And let me let you know, you can only use this stuff probably in the flat and horizontal position on it. It's kind of like a 7024 jet rod. You try to do it upside down or vertical, it just runs like water. It's very liquidy, if you want to, if that's a word. But this is the Flex Seal. This is the black. They have white and they have gray, so I got the black. So check it really well. That's what the instructions say. You want to spray a coating, and they say let it dry for about 24 to 48 hours. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I'm going to show you how runny this stuff is. So if you're trying to do it overhead, don't try it. You're just going to make a mess. So we're doing this flat, but if you're welding in this position, they call it horizontal. So we're sealing the bottom portion of this. So we're going to go all the way around, and you can put as many coatings as you want this first layer, but it's going to all run down to the bottom. So I'm spraying it really good. I'm sealing it off. And I'm going to come up close and let you see what I'm doing. You see how runny it is. And a lot of people swear about this. I don't know if they're sponsored or what, but I'm not sponsored. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So I'm going to spray this stuff all the way around. And if you want to, you can let it dry for 24 hours, then spray another coating. But I'm going to just do this one coating. As you see, I got it on there. And that's about as thick as you can go with one coating. You do have to let this stuff dry. So 24 hours later, it may have been 28 hours. But I'm going to show you what it looked like. What we're going to do, we're going to take some water and fill this up and see what happened. So you see it's dry. I looked at it. We'll look at the bottom also. You can see some of it ran at the bottom. So it's very wet, so it do run. So it may be good for little miniature cracks if you got cracks and stuff, but if you got a hole you need to fill, this is not going to work for you unless you put some kind of putty or something over it to seal it. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up with water. As you can see, that's a piece of plexiglass, and we'll be able to see through this. So here we go. Got our water. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up. And if you're looking right there at the bottom, it have already started. That's not good. You know, some of the advertisement I've seen, man, I know they're trying to sell this product. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. You wanna buy some? And matter of fact, I'm not gonna even put a link in the description. I usually put a link in the description of products I buy if I like the products. If I don't like it, I'm not going to give you a link, so you're going to have to do your own research and find this product. You can pick it up at Lowe's or Home Depot, or you can order it on Amazon, but I'm not going to leave a link. Because look at this. It started doing that when I put a gallon in there. We got about 4 gallons. You see it started leaking worse and worse. Let's see if I can zoom in and let you see exactly what's going on. Look at that. Wow. Come on, people. I know you're making money. You done made millions off this stuff. And wow. Look at water coming out everywhere. Maybe if I would have put 2 or 3 coatings, it would have been better. That would have took about 4 or 5 days to let it dry. But we ain't got that much time to waste. Water is coming out everywhere. And somebody told me to use the white. I sprayed it and it did the same thing. So it's no difference. So maybe, I think JB Weld will do better than this stuff. I'm gonna see if I can pick it up. Look at that. I figured it would do that. That's a lot of weight. Because I think a gallon of water is about maybe 8 pounds. So you're looking at 20, 30 pounds right there. So, in my opinion, I do not like it. You guys may love it. I want to hear from other people if you have experienced this and what were your outcome. Do you like it or not? But for me, it's a no-go. So I'm done with this. Look at this. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day.